Welcome to the channel. You know, sometimes the most unexpected treasures are hiding in plain sight. We picked up these cast iron chairs from Harbor Freight about 15 years ago, and they've been our loyal porch companions ever since. They've weathered countless storms, basked in endless sunshine, and honestly, they've seen better days. They've reached a point where they're just not usable anymore. But instead of saying goodbye, we're embarking on a little project to bring them back to life. And there you have it. This was a lot of work, no doubt about it, but absolutely worth it. If you enjoyed watching this transformation unfold, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing to the channel. I would love to have you along for the ride.